What's going on, guys? So today we finally get to go explore the Virgin Islands, aside from Sapphire Beach, which has been incredible so far. The rest of the trip we're going to be exploring the Virgin Islands, having some fun. As you saw, I got that awesome sunrise here at Sapphire Beach today. So right now we're about to go hit the 9:30 car barge over to St. John, and we're going to spend the day at Trunk Bay. So I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, well, we made it. We're on the car barge headed to St. John. A nice view of Garden Street. So before we head down to Trunk Bay, we came up to Peace Hill. It's got one of the abandoned sugar plantations. And then right down there is Trunk Bay. Over on this side is Hawk's Nest. So only my mom will wear high heels when she's going to a national park for the day.